tomorrow's world, we'll all drive electric cars. And by using solar panels and windmills, we'll generate our own renewable energy. With smart charging, we'll make sure we use 100% of what we generate. This means that all kinds of devices have to start communicating with each other, and there'll be a need to make or receive payments for their services. That may sound complicated, but in practice, people won't even notice the devices are at work. Let's say you work from home today. Your electric car is parked outside and is charged by the overcapacity from the solar panels on the nearby school. In the evening, the energy stored in your car will now power the lights in your house. And together with other nearby cars, you might even be providing the power for a concert in the local park. Throughout the night, windmills located just outside the city will refill the car batteries. So in the morning, you leave for work fully charged on renewable energy. To successfully automate this whole process, both data and value transactions have to be calculated for every exchange between these devices. In the future, these will increase exponentially. The old approach of registering every electricity exchange centrally and then paying through the bank afterwards is not particularly appropriate for these kinds of microtransactions. Luckily, there's a new kid on the block: cryptocurrencies. These are way more suitable thanks to the underlying Distributed Ledger Technology, or more simply, DLT. It is secure, transparent and peer-to-peer, and supports both data and value transactions. The best-known DLT application is the Bitcoin, but because of limitations in its technology, it's not really suitable either. But hang on! Recently, better alternatives have become available. One of them, IOTA, makes use of the Tangle, a new kind of technology, which is ideal for these microtransactions. It is fast and costs close to nothing because the users validate all the transactions themselves. It's an ideal, decentralized approach. To explore this possibility, we've built an IOTA charging station prototype, where you can use IOTA to pay and charge. No need for a card or subscription. When connecting cars, solar panels and windmills to the IOTA network, all these devices will be able to sort out the transactions and their related payments themselves. It's easy, safe and reliable. Exactly what we need to live in tomorrow's smart charging world. Join us in further exploring these exciting opportunities. Let's co-create.
ALARD NL researches and tests the possibilities for smart charging on behalf of the Dutch grid operators.